Simmons. Today, I'm here interviewing Heather Bornfeld, Dr. Heather Bornfeld. Heather, do you want to talk a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name's Heather Bornfeld. I'm a clinical psychologist. I have a PhD in clinical psychology, which is the study of the mind, human behaviors, emotions, and sort of how we relate to each other.
We have a couple questions for you, and we want to just get right into them.
Okay.
Our first question for you is, what is stress?
Stress is a physical reaction and an emotional reaction to what's going on in the environment. And it happens in people, but it also happens in all mammals. And dare I say all kind of organisms, but I'll talk about the mammals. So basically, if you think about animals in the wild, like a lion on the savannah, a lion experiences stress when it's hunting for its prey because it's hungry and it's trying to kind of meet its own needs. And that zebra, maybe that is its prey, is also experiencing a lot of stress when it is running away from the lion for its life. And a whole bunch of physical reactions happen in that whole interaction in their environment. And as people, we also experience stress in our environment. It's not always as extreme as us running for our lives, but sometimes our bodies act like it is that extreme, even though we're just sitting in traffic, and that's kind of a problem.
What happens to your body when you get stressed?
A lot of different things happen, but one of the biggest things is that our sympathetic nervous system, which is the part of us that's in charge of our fight or flight response, it gets activated, and that means that our adrenal glands secrete a hormone called cortisol, and that affects our whole system. It affects how we metabolize glucose, sugar, energy. It affects our blood pressure, so it affects our heart. It affects our brain. It affects the way we process fat in our bodies, our insulin levels. And our sympathetic nervous systems also affect our muscle tone. It affects kind of our level of thirst and hunger. When that's going, we don't really feel hunger. We don't feel thirst. All of the blood in our body goes away from our stomach and kind of goes to our legs and our arms so that we can fight, run, or fight, run, or fight. And so it is a stress response of the whole body. And it also makes it hard to think. Our higher reasoning, our frontal lobes don't work as well. So it's hard for us to reason. It's hard for us to be in relationships with each other, to have calm conversations. Every part of the body is kind of recruited to this fight or flight response.